I was determined to just keep going because I had to go for her. So then, as I was going through my rehab, my medical insurance had went out. So the the guardian I was under wasn't trying to help me get the correct medical information, the correct medical insurance. So my mom's cousin brought me back to San Bernardino where I could get the help that I needed. So I came back to San Bernardino. I got my hand and my foot fixed. I went through much therapy. I put my daughter in Head Start because she was like 3 at the time. So as she went to Head Start, I went to therapy. So I just continued to fight as I grow. I just continue to fight because I watched her and I just feel inside of me there's still more for me to do.
Yeah.
So I just continued to go and go. So then I ended up going to the Department of Rehabilitation, and they sent me to Rolling Start. I was at Rolling Start.
No. At this point, you were a consumer, right? It just wasn't
Yes, I was
sending
a
you there
consumer.
for a
Yes,
job. Yeah.
yes. And no, actually, I was volunteering, and I was
Okay.
getting advocated because I was in a box. I was in the shell. I was very mean. I was angry at the world because I was fighting.
Mm-hmm.
So then this one advocate named Kevin Bujo, he brought me out my box.